back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. So today's video is a Q&A. I've never done one of these before, purely because I thought no one had questions. Like, I felt like everyone knew everything that they wanted to know, and so no one really had anything to ask, and so I didn't do them. But apparently you guys have some questions, so I decided to ask. So how I did it was I put a little question box on my Instagram stories. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I will put my handle right there, and that's just where I show you what I'm doing in real time, more about my books or what I'm reading at the moment and how I felt about a certain book, things like that. Just anything that I want to share and I want you to see like immediately, I will share it on my Instagram. So you can definitely check that out if you're interested. But I put a question box on my Instagram stories and you guys sent through some questions, so I'm going to try and answer those for you today. Okay, so I have the questions pulled up here. I asked in my previous video if you guys wanted me to say the names or not, and I don't think I got a response on that, so I'm just gonna leave the names out. So the first question that I have here is I wanted to ask what language you speak apart from English, and are you single? So English is my home language. I speak a little bit of Zulu. I speak a little bit of Sotho. Like, I can have a conversation with someone who is speaking in a different language, like Sotho, Zulu, Xhosa, and I'll be able to respond, and like, but not in that language. I can respond in English. In terms of speaking, I speak English fluently. I speak a little bit of Afrikaans. I speak a little bit of Zulu. I speak a little bit of Sotho, you know, but my main language is English. And the other part of that question was, are you single? Yes I am. I am very single. The next question I have here is, what car are you planning on driving next? Okay, let's talk about it. I touched on it briefly, I think not last year December, but the year before that. Next question is, what car are you planning on driving next? So I have a Polo that I got from my sister. So my sister got the Polo for her 22nd birthday, and then a couple years later, 5-6 years later, she upgraded the car. She's driving a Beamer now, and so I drive the Polo. That's what I'm driving right now. But my dad and I change cars a lot, so we switch cars. So sometimes he takes the Polo just because it's more economical, and in terms of fuel, he works very far away, so it just makes more sense for him to drive that. If I were to pick a car for myself, like get one bought for me, I would pick a Merc. I particularly like the A-Class range for Mercedes. I'll put a picture of the exact car right here in case I made a mistake on that phrase, but I think it's the A-Class range. Like the A200s. Yeah, I love that car. It's so pretty inside and out. It's like really cute, and anyway, I like it. But I grew up with BMWs, that's what I know, and I really like BMWs. I don't like BMW in general, but I like their cars, and so I wouldn't turn down a BMW offer, you know. At BMW, I would like to get an X3, only because I drive everyone in this house. Like, I'm the designated driver. We do groceries, we do everything, and there's like 4 of us typically. A bigger car would be ideal, especially for days when we're doing heavy shopping in terms of groceries and things like that. A bigger car would make sense. But yeah, I don't mind. My dream car is a Urus. Like, that's like big dream car, a Urus, or just like a regular Lambo. But the regular Lambo does make sense for me because of potholes on the road. But anyway, dream car, realistic dream car, range, everything's realistic really if you put your mind to it. But anyway, realistic dream car, I would love a Range Rover. I think it's so hot. Like, Range Rover is like the goal, like the attainable goal, even though a Lambo is also attainable. You know what, whatever. The next question isn't really a question. It says, I love your content and you've inspired my sister to love herself. Thank you. I am so happy to hear that. Thank you so much. Thank you for the kind comment. Thank you so much. The next question is, what is the most difficult goal that you've been working towards and still haven't achieved? So I would really like to make, or turn rather, I would really like to turn this like vlogging and video content creation thing into like an actual job where I can work from home. I watch a lot of Sarah Vargas and she inspires the heck out of me. Like, I actually am obsessed with her. And I literally just watched a video of hers like a few hours ago, and she was talking about how she was asking what your biggest flex in life is that like no one else has done, or like not necessarily no one else has done, but it's just something that you've managed to do that very few people can do. And she said that she thinks hers is the ability for her to, you know, attend all of her kids after school activities and recitals and all those things, be present with her children at home, be at home and still be able to provide for them and have a job that like caters for all their needs financially. She's able to do whatever she wants for her children, and that's something I really want to do. I want to be able to like be my own boss and, you know, make a living off of not working for someone else, like just doing something that I just generally enjoy doing. And so I'm trying to grow my Instagram brand and presence so that brands start to notice me and want to work with me, so that I can get the ball rolling on that goal basically. So yeah, I want to work for myself. I don't want to work for anyone. I want to do what I love, do what I'm doing right now, and have it be work and have it be a source of income, and not have to actually go to work and do something like a regular 9 to 5. Okay, next question. This one's from Nikki. Hi Nikki. She asked if I lived abroad previously. She says I have an American accent and that she loves my channel. Thank you so much. Fun fact, I've never lived anywhere besides South Africa. I was born and raised in South Africa. I was born in Carltonville. Actually, no, I was born in Joburg, but we lived in Carltonville. And so that area was predominantly white, and we lived there because my dad worked in a mine, and so that was just close to his job basically. So the area of Carltonville, everyone spoke Afrikaans, and so growing up I was speaking Afrikaans basically like fluently because that's what everyone else spoke in that little town. And so, but eventually they switched to English and I forgot my Afrikaans. But I'm like, I understand the language. I can have a conversation with you in that language and not feel left out or like I don't understand, but I can't speak it fluently anymore. So I don't know if that could attribute to it. I don't know. I watch a lot of TV as well. That could mess with me. But I've never lived anywhere besides South Africa. Would I live somewhere else? It depends on where it is. There's a couple places that I would love to go. I don't know if I'd move there permanently. There is a place in South Africa that I would move to permanently, and I've always wanted to live there, and that is Cape Town. I love Cape Town. I love the beach. I love the ocean. I just love being near the ocean, whether it's Durban or Cape Town, but Cape Town really is just stunning. But yeah, I would definitely move somewhere if I like the area, but I've never lived anywhere other than here, South Africa. So that's where I'm from, that's where I was born and raised. And yeah, thank you so much for the question. Next one, your dream destination and why? Okay, I have a couple dream destinations, and because they look beautiful. That is purely why I want to go, because they look beautiful. I'm gonna name a few. I would love to go to Bora Bora, also Fiji, because they're both absolutely stunning. I would also love to go to Turks and Caicos, so beautiful, oh my gosh. I also want to go to the Swiss Alps. Yeah, I definitely want to go to the Swiss Alps because I just want to see the whole like everything covered in snow thing. I want to go skiing, you know, all that stuff. Where else would I love to go? I would love to go to LA. It's been a dream of mine forever. I actually wanted to be an au pair when I was still in school, and I wanted to go live in LA, and I did the whole application thing, but my parents just didn't want me to go and live with a family that I didn't know. So yeah, those are my dream destinations. If I had to pick one from those, it would definitely be Bora Bora, for sure. It's just beautiful. Wow. Next question. What do you look for in a guy? What do I look for in a guy? All the qualities that everyone wants in a guy. That's it. I don't know. I don't feel like I can answer this question, because everything that I would be talking about would be theoretical. It would all be from what I've read in books. Basically, if I had to give you an answer over the books that I've read, I want a mafia guy. I'm kidding. Mafia men, chef's kiss in books, except for the whole, like, you know, danger thing. But yeah, chef's kiss in books. But if I had to give this answer honestly, I wouldn't know, because I've never really looked hard enough. But all, like, the basic things like honesty, communication. Communication is like a big thing for me, especially after I watched Bridgerton, but like even before that. But Bridgerton, like, their whole situation in the garden to them getting married, that whole drama was just miscommunication. And it blows my mind that both of them thought that the other was mad at them for what they did. But if they had just spoken, that whole thing wouldn't have happened. But anyway, yeah, communication, honesty, loyalty. I haven't really been in a position to actually, like, you know, get into it and kind of figure out everything that I want, but those are definitely some of the important ones. Just being there, being open, being, you know, present. Yeah, considerate. It works both ways though. All of this works both ways. But yeah, I can't really give you that answer as well as I would like to. Maybe ask me a year from now. I don't know. Top 3 favorite scents. Okay, actually no, I'm not even gonna rank them. I love them all very much. I love Carolina Herrera Good Girl, amazing. I love Jean Paul Gaultier as, what's it called, Scandal. It smells amazing. And I also love Versace Eros. It's kind of like, it's more of a mature scent for me, but like I haven't really been exposed to that many perfumes, and so from the ones that I've been exposed to, those 3 really stand out to me. Those are the ones that I reach for the most, basically, and so those are the ones that I'm going to mention. And as I grow my collection, that might change. What did you study and why? I studied business management, so I did my diploma in small business management, and then I did my advanced diploma in business management, and I'm currently doing my Bachelor of Commerce honors in business management. And basically I would like to manage my own business. That's it, really. I want to grow my brand to where I have a substantial enough foundation to actually branch into other things. But first and foremost is me. I am the brand, and I want to be able to manage myself as efficiently as possible without needing help from I'll need help obviously, but I want to be able to make the right decisions. And so that's why I studied what I studied. The last question is, I'm interested to know how your love life is going. I don't have one. I don't have a love life, guys. If I did, you would know. Trust me. In my head, I feel like I would be teasing at the fact that someone was there. You would never see their face, but you would know that there is someone special. There is not someone special. If I am in a relationship with someone, you will know. Trust me, you will know, because I will post that situation, albeit sneakily. I'm gonna do like a whole collage, put it up on the screen, and just to kind of like show you what I'm talking about. So I would post about it, not about it, but I would post evidence that there is something, but it wouldn't be like just outright photos of us in our faces, and just like it would be like sweet moments. Basically, you would see snapshots of occurrences. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any more questions, you can leave them down below and I will answer them in the comment section. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check me out on my Instagram and my Facebook. If you're on Facebook a lot, you can get my videos in your feed if you like the page. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. I can't do this, okay? I can't. I'm gonna do it anyway. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand.